how to delete or how to disable your World Remit account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily disable your World Remit account. Now, to be direct and precise, unfortunately you won't get any option to do so on the application or the browser itself. What you'll have to do is you'll have to head to your browser on your device and head into browser, and you want to search in for delete World Remit account. Now here you can see I've searched in for it, and now you can see it says please contact us. You want to simply tap on the very first link, managing my account FAQ option here, and once you tap on it, what you want to do is here you want to tap on contact us option that you can see here on the screen. Once you tap on it here, it should take you to another page where it says want to get in touch with us. You want to simply tap on FAQ pages here. Now once you tap on it here, what you want to do is here you'll get the contact number. If you scroll down below here, particular phone number or the service phone number for particular reason, so you want to make sure you get the correct phone number for your reason, and you want to call them and ask them to disable your World Remit account. You can also reactivate your account by contacting back again. So this way you can disable or enable your World Remit account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.